Yeah, you think of how many human interactions occur around the dinner table. It pretty much covers the entire spectrum. You know, even historically, who sits at the head of the table? The idea of the head and the foot of the table. There's our hierarchy. We get suddenly very spiritual around the table. We pray, or we thank the pig. We create community by sharing with other people and bring them into our home around a meal. Do you want to come to dinner? We get all romantic about it and go on dates where we have a meal. Everything happens around the table. And I think if you impoverish the provender and the abundance of your table, you impoverish every aspect of your life. Because it all happens right there. So basically, if you understand how to break down a pig, it'll be smooth sailing from here on out.
It'll be a good life.
It'll be a good life.